teachers at the elf school are better than at the public government school system in Western North Carolina. Alright, Old Highway 64, here we are. Again, Lake Chatuge over here on the right. Most of these houses are on Lake Chatuge on the right of us. Campground on the lake. There's no shortages of campgrounds on Lake Chatuge. That's beautiful down there. And then there's the end of Lake Chatuge for this section. The last of it. Woo! Last of the water. Got some rain through here yesterday. The roads are wet. We only got a tiny bit. That Hot House Road, that'll take you down to Bell Mountain and Hiawassee. It's a pretty good road. The pavement's not great, but the road is twisty. Someday I'll take you down it. It's hard to believe this road used to be the main highway. But you can believe it. I said so. You can trust me. I should have put Roland in front of us and followed him. Got some footage with the motorcycle in the road. But he's got one of those old man day glow vests on. My camera wouldn't pick up anything else. It would just blind you for the rest of the video. Hopefully this video turns out alright. The little bits of fog that I've been through haven't hosed up the lens. So there's 2-story. It should say Democrats up top and the rest of us on the bottom. It feels like the problem with the world today are liberal Democrats, or in general just liberals. I've got a feeling the next old 64 is going to be very dirty. Back on US 64. Oh, must be in Clay County. Another brand new Dollar General. Brand new. And we're going to make us a left on Old 64 in front of this car. We got plenty of time. We can make this. It'd be better if we knew how to shift gears. We can do it in the proper gear. It's my first time on a motorcycle. I'll figure it out one day. I'm hoping I have enough battery life to at least get you to Weah Road. That's our goal today, is to get to Weah on the west side of Franklin. We're going to take a break at that little store. I haven't stopped at that store in years. I hope they're open on a Wednesday. And I'm going to charge up the battery on this camera, and then I'm going to try to get you all the way across Weah Road. Look at that. Wow. Amazes me how much trash people will put in their front yard. If I had a dirt bike, I'd go down that driveway. I'd pull up at the house and go, "Oh, I thought Steve lived here. He ain't here." My luck to do to be like, "I'm Steve, squirrel." This morning when I was leaving, there was a herd of deer in the front yard. I walked up to one within 10 feet of one deer, and she just looked at me like, "Hey man, what's going on?" I remember when deer were skittish. Now, not so much. Oh, that's some debris. Oh, that's some water.